Hello and welcome. This is Brad Corian, CTO at IOTech, and I'm pleased to present the official launch overview of Edge Central version 4. This release marks a significant milestone in our commitment to building the industry's most open, secure, and robust edge data platform for industrial use. Edge Central remains the leading commercially supported industrial-grade platform based on the EdgeX Foundry open source framework. In this release, we've deepened our alignment with open standards while introducing a series of capabilities designed for real-world industrial deployments. All services remain EdgeX-compatible. Applications developed for EdgeX continue to run natively within Edge Central, preserving investment and easing adoption. With version 4, we focus on three key themes: enhancements for industrial usage, continued open source integrity, and a seamless upgrade path from version 3. Let's explore these in more depth. Version 4 strengthens the platform across the board, but specifically introduces the following major enhancements, which are highlighted on our diagram here. PostgreSQL-based data persistence, a new time-based scheduler service, a comprehensive alarm management service, Sparkplug compliant data streaming, a built-in historian service, a new Python SDK for app development, strengthened security with local role-based access control, and replacement of non-permissive OSS components. Each of these upgrades is designed to meet the growing needs of industrial environments. Let's cover each of these in a little more detail and begin with data persistence. We've replaced Redis with PostgreSQL and TimescaleDB to meet requirements around data integrity, durability, backup and restore, and compliance. Redis is no longer truly open source software due to recent licensing changes, which further motivated this shift. PostgreSQL now backs all core services, including metadata, configuration, notifications, and application-level persistence. This migration is transparent. Existing APIs remain unchanged, and the ecosystem of Postgres-related tools is another valuable benefit. Industrial customers often require deterministic task execution, schedules that are time-based, not just interval-based. For example, running an operation to change machine behavior at a specific time of day. To address this, we've introduced a new scheduler service built using the Go-cron library that supports daily, weekly, and interval-based jobs with precise control over timing. This replaces the limited reference implementation in EdgeX and offers robust scheduling control for device commands, data exports, and service orchestration. Operational integrity requires real-time alerting across heterogeneous devices and protocols. Our new alarm service standardizes how alarms are managed by using the OPC-UA alarms and conditions model as a foundation, allowing consistent definition, routing, and responses, regardless of where our alarms originate. The service integrates with our internal OPC-UA server to configure thresholds and conditions. Alerts are event-driven and can be routed to email, MQTT, chat systems, or other custom endpoints. We're really excited about what this brand new service brings to our product line. Edge Central now supports native data streaming to SCADA and other IT systems using the Sparkplug 3.0 specification. The new Sparkplug connector listens to all messages on the internal message bus, formats them according to Sparkplug standards, including dbirth, ddata, and ddeath, and publishes them over MQTT. It leverages metadata service events to maintain device state and ensures compatibility with modern industrial data infrastructures. We're seeing that more and more enterprises are requesting Sparkplug data to help manage their SCADA systems. So again, this is a really valuable new service. For many customers, long-term edge-side storage is not optional. It's a regulatory necessity. Version 4 introduces a built-in high-performance historian service. It collects, indexes, and stores telemetry and command data using PostgreSQL with TimescaleDB extensions. Users can define retention policies and query historical data through APIs or RUI, making compliance and analysis easier and more scalable. The use of timescale as an optimization really helps to store and manage a huge amount of data at the edge, where storage space itself is often quite limited. We've significantly expanded developer tooling by adding a new Python SDK for building application services. While our Go-based SDK remains fully supported, this new Python SDK allows broader adoption and faster development cycles. It includes ready-to-use modules for filtering, transformation, and routing, all as part of a familiar Pythonic development experience, ideal for teams specializing in machine learning, artificial intelligence, or other analytics capabilities. Security remains a top priority. In version 4, we've enhanced support for role-based access control. Administrators can now manage users and roles directly via Edge Central's UI. No external LDAP integration is required. We've also extended proxy auth to validate requests against these local roles, complying with IEC 62443-4-2 and similar standards. Unauthorized access is blocked before reaching critical services. To uphold our open source values, we've replaced non-permissively licensed components of the platform. HashiCorp Vault is replaced with OpenBow, Console is replaced with CoreKeeper, Redis is replaced with PostgreSQL, optionally Valkey, and Redis PubSub is removed in favor of MQTT as the internal message bus. All of these changes have been fully integrated and tested to ensure stability and performance. Upgrading from Edge Central version 3 is straightforward. No external API changes, so your existing applications continue to run as is. Infrastructure upgrades, such as PostgreSQL and OpenBow, are transparent to the user. The platform takes care of that. And improved stability and new services are unlocked automatically without code changes, so it's really an easy upgrade. Thank you for your continued partnership and for joining us in the journey towards more open, secure, and intelligent industrial edge computing. To learn more, visit iotechsys.com or arrange a one-on-one session with our team. We look forward to see what you build with Edge Central version 4.